future scientists. Welcome to our science class. I am Randy Diacal from Kailaway Elementary School, Nasugbues District, Division of Batangas Province. I am your science teacher for today. Keep yourself relaxed and enjoy learning. Together, let us explore the world of science. Have you ever made wishes while gazing in the moon? How did you feel? So, in today's lesson, let me take you in the different phases of the moon. Before we continue, let me tell you first the learning competencies in today's lesson. First, infer the pattern in the changes in the appearance of the moon. Second, relate the cyclical pattern in the length of the moon. Before we go on in our topic today, let's have a short review of what we have discussed last meeting. So, what was our topic last meeting? Correct! Our topic last meeting is all about the moon. Now, let's have this activity. Direction. Complete the paragraphs below and choose your answer in the box. The moon is blank of the earth. It shines by the sun's blank light. It takes days for the moon blank around the earth. The distance of the moon from the earth is about blank. Let's now check your answer. 1. Satellite. 2. Reflected. 3. 29.5. 4. Revolved. And 5. 3,468 kilometers. Good job! It's nice to know that you remember our previous lesson. I have here some objects. What can you say about these? What does it show? Nice answer! How do you feel there is no moon at night time? Now, the different shape of the moon that we can see is what we call the phases of the moon. And that is the topic for this day. Have you ever wondered why sometimes the moon is full and sometimes it's just a crescent? We can see this in our activity. We need shoebox, a piece of clay, a small styrofoam, toothpick, flashlight, black cartolina or black colored paper, and a cutter. Let's do the activity. First, take the shoebox and paste a black cartolina inside the box. Ask assistance in your parents or guardians to cut a hole in the sides of the box. More precisely, you need to cut 3 holes in the larger sides and 1 in the middle of the shoebox. All holes must be at the same height of the moon, which you will position later. Take the ball and put it in the toothpick. The ball will be your moon in the middle of the box. When you finish, close the lid. Position the flashlight on one of the 2 holes in the middle of one of the short side so it will light the moon in the box. Now look at the moon from all the holes in the box one at a time and you will see the moon phases. Depending on which hole in the shoebox to look at the moon, then get a piece of clay, then put a toothpick and put it in the middle of the box. You will notice that there are 8 different situations. The new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, and waning crescent. In the new moon phase, the moon is positioned between the earth and the sun, and the sun's rays only illuminate the part of the moon that we cannot see. On the other hand, on full moon night, the earth is between the sun and the moon. The phases of the moon describe the appearance of the moon as it can be seen during its revolution. The moon's appearance changes because its different positions of the sun and the earth. The moon phases are repeated with the 29.5-day interval, and the months of the calendar are derived in this interval. And now, let us have another activity. This activity is called Cookie Moon Phases Activity. Here are the procedures. First, gently separate the cookie so all the filling is on one side. Be careful as you separate the cookies. Full moon and new moon are already done when you pull apart your cookies. Second, scrape all fillings to resemble each face of the moon. Third, place cookies faces on the plate in a correct order in relation to the earth and sun. And last, label the cookies faces starting with the new moon. Were you able to follow the instructions correctly? Good job! Remember, it is very important to follow the instructions correctly. And now, let's look back. What do you call the changes of the moonless shape as the moon revolves around the earth? Very good! The answer is phases of the moon or lunar phase. How about the 8 phases of the moon within a month? What are those phases? The 8 phases of the moon within a month are the new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, and waning crescent. I hope you enjoyed this activity. Let me check if you really understand our lesson. I will give you another seed fork. This is called the Match Moon Phases Assessment. Direction. Match the following picture to the correct face. Place the corresponding letter on the line next to the picture. And for your assignment, observe the moon every night for 2 weeks. Then, draw the moon shape each night in a chart similar to the one shown below, and write your observation. I hope that you've learned new things today. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you next lesson. Remember that learning does not stop here. Scientifically saying, think critically and develop your ability. Once again, this is your science teacher, Randy B. Akal saying, bye!